What to do if someone defames you online? Legal remedies in India. Someone posted false information about you online. Know your legal rights. Imagine waking up one morning and seeing a post on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn claiming that you are a fraudster, scammer, or dishonest person. Within a few hours, your friends, family, and clients start questioning you. Can you take legal action? Yes, absolutely. Today, I will explain what online defamation is, the laws applicable in India, and the legal steps you can take to protect your reputation. But first, let us know what is defamation. Under Section 356 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, that is BNS, defamation means making or publishing any imputing concerning a person with the intention of harming or knowing or having reasons to believe that such imputation will harm the reputation of that person. Defamation can occur through Facebook posts, Instagram stories, YouTube videos, WhatsApp messages, LinkedIn posts, tweets and comments, blogs and online articles. Truth made for public good, fair criticism and opinions expressed in good faith are exceptions to defamation. Let us know what is business defamation. Suppose Mr. A owns a consultancy company. A former employee posts on LinkedIn, this company is involved in fraud and steals clients' money. The statement is false and there is no evidence. As a result, client stops contacting the company and its business suffers. This can amount to criminal defamation under Section 356 of BNS and also give rise to a civil suit for damages. What should you do? Preserve evidence. Take a screenshot of the post, date and time, URL link if there is any, comments and shares. Under Section 63 of the BNS, electronic records are admissible as evidence, subject to compliance with legal requirements. Download and preserve the content. People often delete defamatory posts after receiving a legal notice. Therefore, preserve all the electronic evidence immediately. Through an advocate, send a legal notice demanding removal of the post, public apology, compensation for damages, and an undertaking not to repeat such acts in future. If it does not stop there, file criminal proceedings. You may file a criminal complaint for defamation under Section 356 of the BNS. If fake documents or impersonation are used, offense relating to forgery, cheating, and identity fraud may also be attracted depending upon the facts of the case. File a civil suit for damages. Apart from criminal remedies, you can file a civil suit seeking compensation for reputational damage, loss of business, mental agony, and injunction directing removal of defamatory content. Report the content to social media platforms. Most platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn have grievances mechanism to report defamatory content and seek its removal. Do not respond with abusive comments or threats. Many people commit the mistake of posting retaliatory messages and end up facing legal consequences themselves. Always choose the legal route. Your reputation is one of the most valuable assets. A single false post can affect your career, relationships, and businesses. If someone is spreading false allegation against you online, preserve the evidence, send a legal notice, initiate appropriate civil and criminal proceedings against that person, seek removal of the defamatory content. Have you ever faced online defamation? Share your experience in the comment below. For more legal awareness, share and subscribe to Law Chef. This video is for educational purpose only and does not constitute legal advice. The remedies available, facts and circumstances of each case, because each case is different from one another. So do not take this as a legal advice. If you want a legal advice, approach any professional or approach Law Chef. Thank you.